The Zimbabwe Republic Police ZRP has prevented the Constitution Defenders Forum CDF from holding two planned meetings in Bulawayo, originally scheduled for Njube Hall and Stanley Hall in Makokova. Sabena mashkobla yukapangwa na police block. Constitutional Defenders Forum meeting in Bulawayo. Notable subscribe wala ikotonga bio icon tidda mnamobla ikwamshinzi. CDF Provincial Organizing Secretary Mlandlo Luve had submitted notifications for the gatherings, but Chief Superintendent K. Nyaumwe, officer commanding police Bulawayo West District, stated the requests were denied because they allegedly did not meet the requirements for the Maintenance of Peace and Order Act (MOPA). CDF convener Tindai, along with the movement's deputy conveners chairperson and other members, had planned to meet residents to discuss what they termed urgent national concerns around defending the Constitution. In a statement released on Friday afternoon, CDF condemned the police action, insisting they had complied with all legal procedures for notifying authorities under MOPA, the forum said. In course, this is yet another attempt to shut down democratic space and silence citizens who are insisting on respect of constitutionalism and the rule of law. The recent police action must be seen in the broader context of ongoing intimidation and obstruction that CDF has faced over recent days, weeks, and months. Our members have enjoyed harassment, meetings have been disrupted, and our leadership has been subjected to threats and surveillance. The CH and conveners' offices and presence of suspected state operatives reflect the same troubling pattern. The blocking of peaceful town hall meetings only confirms what many citizens already suspect: democratic space is being systematically restricted because those in power fear the message of constitutional defense. Doma developments ane zviri kuitika aiwa murezimbabwe pamusoro pemaconstitutional amendments. Tichiona these groups achiblokiwa nekustopiwa pakuita mameetings avo. Muna section medu dzafunguro aimo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.